A wide face with a flat front and side profile. Sisters, come and create this luxurious dewy makeup look for autumn and winter, making your skin look super good and naturally radiant. Hello sisters, I've noticed that whenever I talk about makeup lately, everyone says their makeup looks dry, making them want to give up on it. So today I want to share how to smooth out roughness and achieve a delicate, well-applied look for autumn and winter. Today, I will teach you my moisturizing formula. Let's start with the base makeup. Before we start, let's apply it on our lips. They are really too dry. Look at this new lip oil I received. It has small gold foil in it, which is very suitable for today's theme. Let's apply it and see. Oh, it's watery. And the taste of honey is sweet. But it's not greasy or sticky. A few days ago, many sharp-eyed sisters found that I went to Yunnan for fun. Here is a friendly reminder to everyone. If you want to go to Yunnan in winter, you must pay attention to the super dry weather there. As a person who has been staying in Jiangsu, Zhejiang, and Shanghai all year round, I suddenly went there. Really, I felt that my face was almost broken by dryness. And then these little things I brought for convenience really played a big role. If it weren't for them, my face was really powdery and I couldn't put on makeup. First, I want to share this serum stick. I've talked about it so many times already. Look, I recently got a new one. And it's really my secret weapon against cakey makeup. Sisters, this is not an ad. I'm really afraid of being called out for advertising. Can you see the shiny, dewy part? It's not slippery at all. After you massage it in, it absorbs really well. You can see that once it is absorbed, the skin will remain moist and slightly sticky, soft and tender. It looks a bit like the glue stick we used when we were in school. I usually layer it before makeup and after cream, for example, in the desert areas where the skin is stubborn and flaky. I will focus on applying it to this area, and then we will massage it and absorb it before applying foundation. The second one is this air cushion. My skin is very dry in winter. I have really experienced the pain of having dry skin and peeling no matter what foundation I apply. Take my advice. At this time, we should switch to a cushion foundation. If you keep applying regular foundation back and forth on dry skin, it can easily lift those dry patches. But with a cushion, you just press it on and tap it in, and it works so much better. Plus, this cushion is one of the few I've tried that has both good coverage and long-lasting wear. You can see that the concealing power is very good, and it is also very moisturizing. You can see the glossiness of my face after applying it, just like moist milk skin. People with dry skin must try this. Just pat it on your face like this, and the makeup effect is very good. You see, it also comes with a concealer at the bottom, which you can use to touch up any blemishes that the cushion didn't cover. Then we have these two cream contours, which are not only moisturizing but also very long-lasting. I've been using this one for over a year, and it's still in great shape. If you don't wear makeup often, you could even consider it a family heirloom. I usually use this little square one to define the contours of my side profile. First, apply it and tap it onto the areas we need to correct. This contour cream isn't just a plain gray-brown. When you apply it, it has a slightly pinkish shadow color, resembling the natural shadows of the skin. This contour pencil from the US is practically a must-have for everyone, and I've already used mine down to this short length. It's especially great for detailing, like the shadows on the nose and around the eyes. Just a few simple taps with a brush can blend it out nicely, which helps avoid the need for excessive rubbing that can lead to flaking. These two new products can be said to be the best among our excellent domestic products. When I use this size, I will mix the pink and white with the skin color. Look at these two colors and mix them like this. This color is especially suitable for our yellow skin. Then when we apply it, don't use too much, just apply a little on the areas you need to brighten. Just gently tap it in like this, and it will make this area smooth and clean. Of course, I'm talking about areas that are sunken in. For things like tear troughs, we definitely need to pay attention to detail. This product is great for both concealing and highlighting. When you apply it, the subtle pinkish tone will make your highlight look more natural. If you compare the two, you can feel that this one is lighter and more hydrating. But for me, the color is still a bit too white. If you have fair, dry skin, you might find it works better for you. Use this and then this blush liquid I bought casually. Have you noticed that the products I use today are basically cream or liquid? Because the more luxurious the makeup, the weaker the powdery feeling. Choose a product with a light and watery texture and good blendability to restore the natural bloody feeling. I have also shared with you how to set the makeup. This lavender loose powder looks good. I'm about to run out of this, which shows just how much I love it. This color is perfect for correcting the yellow undertones on yellow-toned skin. And if you look closely, it feels so light on the skin that it's almost like there's no powder at all, and it won't dry you out. Now, about the beauty look. Today, we want to keep it softer. This chiseled brow pencil often appears in my videos. It's perfect for creating a natural hair-like effect, and I think their color selection is really spot on. The one I'm using today is a gray-brown shade, and when filling in your brows, you definitely need to be patient. Draw it on, adjust it a bit, then look left and right to make some tweaks. So today's makeup look is all about being soft and elegant. For the eyeshadow, just like the blush, we're going with grey-pink shades. This way, it looks gentle and helps reduce puffiness. We'll start by using this grey-brown shade to apply a large base on the eyelids to help with the puffiness. Next, we'll layer on this deeper shade to blend it out a bit. For the eye makeup, I want that bright and lively look, so today I'm planning to use double eyelid tape to make my eyes look bigger. If any of you have eyelids like mine, which are a bit puffy and flat, you might want to try this angled tape. It provides better support. Once we've applied that, we'll go ahead and use a lash primer. This lash primer is really great. You can see that the top side has long bristles and the bottom has shorter ones, making it a two-sided comb. This way, it can take care of both the upper and lower lashes in great detail. Use black eyeliner, trace along the base of the eyelashes with a gel pen, and then we'll apply some false eyelashes. This time, don't choose the ones that are too dramatic. Opt for a clear and natural style. For some reason, the sound wasn't recorded here. Use dark brown to deepen the lower eyeliner, then blend it naturally. Don't forget to apply mascara to the lower lashes. Use the same deepening color to highlight the inner corners of the eyes. And use the leftover powder to define the eye bags. Today, we'll draw the eye bags a bit thicker, which will make the face appear softer. For contouring the nose, I like to use this powder to go over it again. My favorite palettes are these two, which I've shared with you many times. Today, let's use this one. The shading tone is particularly good, very suitable for Asians. You can use it for nose contouring or side contouring, and it looks very natural. The highlighter is also great and doesn't disappoint at all. I absolutely love using it. It highlights the bridge of the nose effectively while still looking very natural. This pearlescent highlighter, although it's powdery, gives a dewy, watery glow once applied, which is perfect for today's luxurious makeup look. For blush, I'm layering a warm, freshly received New Year edition, which matches my outfit perfectly. I chose this apricot pink shade because with yellow undertones, wearing pure pink can look a bit off. However, this one has a hint of apricot mixed in with the pink, making it ideal for us. Just apply it over the area where the pink liquid blush was applied. After applying, we can use this lighter shade to blend the area in the center of the face. A palette with 3 colors like this is perfect for beginners who aren't sure how to match colors. This shade looks really nice, and I think it's perfect for the new year. Finally, let's dab a bit of this glossy finish on the brow bone and the inner area of the cheekbones. This will make our makeup look more translucent. You can also apply a bit on the reflective point of the forehead. For the lip makeup today, we definitely need to choose something with a glossy finish to match the overall look, and it's also in a pink tone. Recently, I've been organizing and found that I've bought a lot of lipsticks suitable for dry skin. If you're interested, I can share a collection with you all sometime. And that's it for the supermarket and winter dewy makeup look. Let me change my clothes and show you the final look.